If you're making fondant decorations for kids' cake, safety matters. I've seen so many horror stories, but with a few simple tips, you'll be able to create something that looks amazing and keeps little ones safe. So what fondant paste to use? Opting for fondant mixed with CMC is perfect for kids' cakes. It firms up for modelling paste but still stays soft if they eat it. However, if you want modelling paste to create intricate details, that's great too. To understand all the different pastes and when to use them, check out the video coming up now. Or if you just want to dive straight in and go from beginner to winner at making models in a couple of hours, grab my 4 free video tutorials and templates in the description below. Supports for models. If you need internal supports for animals or seated characters, you can use uncooked spaghetti or lollipop sticks. They don't splinter and they've got blunt ends. If you want the safest option, just allow more drying time before putting each part of your animal or model together and use a stronger fondant glue. There's a full video on that coming up here too. For standing figures like this Peter Rabbit cake topper, you'll sometimes need to use a wooden skewer, but make sure to cut off the sharp pointy end first. You can watch the video tutorial on the bunny here or grab the PDF and template in the description. You'll want to avoid using wires inside any decoration, and if you must, they have to go inside a straw or a posy pick or be covered in florist tape before inserting it into the cake. Here's a warning. If you do use any kind of internal stick or support, make sure the parent is fully informed. You can grab my free safety warning label download for your cake box in the description. Inside the cake, always use plastic style dowels, not wooden skewers or wooden dowels. They have a larger surface area, hollow centres and way safer. I usually place the main decorations on a fondant covered cake drum for the top of the cake, like a little plaque, and attach it with a little bit of fondant glue. It's a perfect keepsake, and if you leave a little space, they can add all of the other decorations from the cake on there too. But make sure that it's decorated to blend in with the theme. Melted candle wax in cakes is gross, and worse, these candles ruin your cake designs in seconds. So why not make your own? It takes just minutes with my candle cutter set. It takes up decorating space on the cake, makes the design look amazing, and removes one more stress from the person ordering or having the cake. Grab your set and video tutorial in the description. Here's a bonus tip. For larger models, using fondant increases a lot of weight on the cake. So you can use cereal bars or chocolate bars for the centres of your models. Just squash and shape them. It keeps them edible, safe and nice and sturdy. Okay, that's it from me. Make sure to grab all your free tutorials and downloads in the description. And drop me a comment to let me know which tip you found most useful. Or if you've got any extra tips for others to see, then drop it in the comments because we all learn from each other. Okay, like, subscribe, all that jazz, and check out this next video. I'm sure you'll love it, and I'll see you there.